one of my other students said they... They turn right. You're going to punch me every time you see a yellow car?
Yeah.
Excellent. Look forward to that. Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called My First Specialist in Young Driver Insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal with. Don't you start that.
No.
Oh, that's another video I've got. Yes. Can I punch you instead?
No.
Oh, okay.
Because I said it.
Okay. Turn it around, please. Is that how it works?
Yeah. Say it again.
Yeah, to test next week. You can do that. No, not really.
No, yellow car.
2-0 to you. Okay, competition time. Observations. And your observations are pretty good. No, okay, here we go. Yes, yeah, off the brake. Let it roll. Light, gas, rotate. Right, yellow car contest. Since you're so good at spotting them, I'm going to see if I can spot yellow cars before you do.
Okay, that's fine.
And we'll have a competition. We'll see what the score is by the end. Are you starting with a 2-0 head start, or can we start from scratch?
Yeah, 2-0 head start.
You got 2-0 head start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, but 2-0 head start. I'm not going to go
Don't get, please.
Okay.
Right, so we're all not out for yellow cars. How many will we see? I'm going for 10.
7.
7. Okay. What's the prize then? Who is closest to the yellow car count?
I don't know.
Coffee's at a drive-through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's valid.
I'll have to do a drive-through at some point.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 2-0. So a grand total of 2 cars.
Yeah. I'm actually really proud of myself for them gear changes.
I thought we were about spotting yellow cars.
Okay.
Yep.
We'll play that game then.
No?
Yes,
You're doing really well. Second exit right, please.
exit.
Right, I'm very competitive. I am...
Okay. So am I.
Good.
So
I like competitive people.
Yeah.
I cannot stand non-competitive people.
Neither.
They really get on my nerves.
Me too.
Oh, what's it mean?
Kai's really non-competitive.
Oh, I can't do that.
I know. Well, actually, no. He's kind of turned into me a bit.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
But is that a bad thing?
I don't know.
We'll meet the guy here.
That's it. Slow down. Flash down to roll in a second. Just do it right. Yellow sticker. Doesn't count, does it?
Doesn't count.
Doesn't count, no. This is a good game. It's good to do it. It's really good actually to turn a driving lesson into a game that has some sort of positive, some sort of well, not the reward,
Well,
but the fact it has a purpose.
Yeah.
Why are you doing spotting yellow cars? Because it opens up your observations, and because the thought of me beating you is absolutely horrific.
Yeah.
You've really homed in onto buying into the why I'm doing this. I'm terrible. I would bet and race on 2 raindrops running down the window.
But that's fun, and that's like if you're bored on a really long car journey, you need to do it. Have you ever been on one with like the sky, like the roof there? That's fun.
They're good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Not good if you chip them though. Very expensive to repair.
Yeah.
See, there could be yellow cars over there. You see, so you've got to be looking all around you.
Yeah.
Could be one behind you. You have to use your mirrors.
Yes.
Oh, what are you gonna do here? Brake. Look, wait. Slide right down into first gear. Slow. Keep braking.
Am I in first?
Ease off the brake. Off the brake. Let it roll.
Did we just?
You just stalled.
My God.
Yeah, light, gas. Check your mirrors. In case impatient motorcyclist might think it's not that. I'm going around her.
So, isn't it like tyres and tarmac? I can see it looking from the car.
Yes. Damn.
Yellow from my house.
Yeah, yellow thing.
Yeah.
Yes, it is tyres and tarmac currently.
Yeah.
Really bed it in.
I did the same thing as you. There's not.
Circuit. I know, because you're looking for yellow cars.
Yellow car.
Ambulances don't
They're
count.
ambulances.
They're not yellow, they're day glow, they're high vis. That's not yellow.
Last night.
Did you? Oh, you can tell me.
Well, Buckingham Palace is down the road, like in town.
Yes.
And there's a planned robbery.
Yes.
I'm going to stop talking.
Yellow car.
I'm scared. Oh, God.
Yes!
2-1.
2-1.
I'm scared, so I'm going to stop talking. We
Fair
don't
enough.
have power. And then I went home and nobody in my house cared. And I was like, right guys, we need to turn the lights off, shut all the windows where we go. Yellow car.
Follow the road car. Oh, damn it! Follow the road. 3-1. Damn it! How did I miss that?
To be fair.
It's too easy looking that way.
Touchdown first. Get
Okay, right. So far.
So I got home.
Yes.
Then nobody cared. So I was like shutting all the blinds, shutting all the windows, turning all the lights off, saying, guys, can we please just lock the door of the room?
There's got to be yellow cars in Great Bowden.
I thought there was one down there, but it's not.
Yeah, no, I was looking as well. Yes.
So,
yeah, speak freely.
Scared, really fully scared me. Oh, there's Lily and Amelia. I mean, Amelia's sister. Right. Yeah. I'm so bad at this. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, nobody believed me. Told everyone to like take cover and all. Where's this man going?
No, clutch down then. That's it. Keep it going. Roll it out. You good?
This way, your head's in the way.
Oh god, sorry.
You were gonna go. Oh. Okay.
It's quite complicated, isn't it? Right, where's this story going?
Yeah, potentially. But also,
oh no!
Is that a yellow car there?
No.
No. That wasn't my only dream of the night.
Oh right,
Oh,
okay.
no.
Oh no.
But I'm not gonna.
There's more.
Can't remember any of the others.
Oh
so
yeah,
let's
that's a
not go
relief.
there. I know. Let's not do that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed my story.
It was a great story, that.
But took so long to get out. We drove through the yellow car. I got it first.
Oh, damn it! It's 4-1. I saw that one.
I said it first. We drove through.
I'm hoping. I reckon Ridgeway's the place to find yellow cars.
Can I change gear on a hill?
No, we don't want to change gear. Listen to your
we
engine.
are in second.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because I did it.
Yeah, you went to fourth. I put back to second.
Yes.
I haven't got anything as remotely interesting as that to tell you.
No,
Because I'm a boring old driving instructor who doesn't get out much.
It wasn't really interesting either. I feel like.
It's more of a sort of an. It wasn't so much a story. It's just more like a. It's more. Yeah, you need to get out your system.
Dump my trauma. Dump my.
Yes. Used to go down the Kingsway for a fight on a Saturday night with all the lads with their little moustaches and white socks and.
Wedge jumpers.
Yes. The Valley from Rhondda.
Yeah.
You're looking for cars, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so am I.
Okay.
Right. No, it's your time to go through the high street again.
Frick's sake.
It's gonna be great. Super great.
Don't enjoy the high street. We're gonna go.
Very good. It's a little bit different from last week, isn't it? But more control needed.
Yeah. Please cancel.
No, you can't cut the same car twice.
Okay, neither can you.
Yes, I know that. Yes, I did.
What
Listen
about
to your engine. They're not yellow, they're high vis. It's not yellow. The sun isn't that colour, is it?
The sun isn't yellow either.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.